Hello everyone, this is the Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the pick a card reading, and the topic of the pick a card reading is the journey to your marriage. Okay, and I am adding some handwritten messages. These are my handwritten messages. Okay, I am going to add this. Okay, and some initials, which season you will meet, or which season will be the significant season for you, and some physical traits. Okay, and what the marriage will be like, love come arrange, or love marriage, or arranged marriage. Okay, so these are the general reading, guys. It may or may not be resonating with each and everyone, so please take care of it, and please take the messages what are resonating with you, so according to your situation. Okay, I will start with the reading. Okay, what is your journey to your marriage? Okay, the pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3, and pile number 4. So you just have to take any one of the number, and any one of the pile which you drawn, and you can select according to your numerology, according to the timestamps, whatever you want to. I will put the timestamp in the description box below, and we will start with the reading. Okay, for the pile number 1, and at the end of the reading I will pull some advice cards for you. What are the advices for you during the journey? Okay, so okay, I will start with the reading now. I will pull the 10 cards. Okay, and in the 10 cards we will find out, I will tell you the journey of your marriage, and if the some extra cards required, then I will pull some extra card for the with the clarifiers. Okay, so for the pile number 1, please universe, please gods, let us know what is the journey to your marriage for the pile number 1. What is the journey of the marriage for the pile number 1? These are the general readings, so each and every message may or may not be resonating with you. Take the messages according to your situations. Okay, take the messages wisely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will put 1 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we will see the cards. Okay, first card is the 8 of Pentacles, second is the 10 of Pentacles, third 5 of Wands, King of Wands, 4 of Cups, 2 of Cups, 6 of Wands in reverse, Devil in the reverse. Okay, I will put it like this. Okay, so that you are able to see. Okay, and the 9th card is the 7 of Swords in reverse, and 10th card is the Star, Hope. Okay, so you might be the Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo person. Okay, you might be having the Capricorn, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus in your birth chart or natal chart. You are doing you are, or you was, okay, whatever the situation, you please take the messages according to your situation. And you was doing the hard work, you was very busy, and it may be you are very busy in your work. You are just improving your finances, and you are doing your work very passionately, very creatively. Some of you are in the creative work, like creative skill work, fashion designing, or maybe some metal is involved here. some metal, like we are just shaping the metals and the things. Is he is just, these are the metal coins, and he is putting the stars on it. So like that you are doing your work. Okay, you are very busy in your work. Okay, but in mind you are thinking that you are doing for, you just want to the happy family, you just want to the very good finances, very good in the financial situation, stability in your financial situation, and very happy family. Okay, and you have very conflict in your mind. Will this will be happen or not, or maybe the it might be the fighting regarding the fighting with the in your family, friends, colleagues. Means whatever your thoughts, whatever your dreams for the happy family, happy marriage life, this your thoughts are maybe not acceptable by them. You are very you are thinking very differently rather than the other people, or some of for the some of you it might be your mental thought, will it be happen, or will it be happen or not. Okay, so you are just questioning on your thoughts. There are so many thoughts in your mind. Okay, so take message accordingly. Then this king will come to into your life. Okay, the king of wands is a very passionate person, very fiery person. He is very he wants the things in very fast way. Okay, because he is very fiery, fire in his chart, or that person's chart. Okay, he wants the new beginning with you. Okay, and he is a king. Okay, he is a king, and he is very wise person, very for some time he is little bit controlling person. Okay, but in a good way, not in the that much bad way, but there will be some control issues will be there. Okay, and that person is very wise. Okay, he will choose you very wisely. So this person come into your life, but you just are stubborn to the three of cups here. Okay, you are not looking that fourth cup has universe has been offering you. Okay, these are the three empty cups, and this person is just focusing on this empty cup and empty cups, and he just very stubborn to his situation. This is the some of you having crush on someone, or some of you it might be the one sided love relation, or anything, the situation will be anything, but universe want to offer you something else. Okay, but you are not focusing on this. Okay, this you are not focusing on this king, because you just are busy in the focusing on this the empty three cups. Okay, so you have to just focus on this cup also, whatever the universe, because this person universe has been sent to you. Okay, and this person is not focusing, it might be you. Okay, you are not focusing on that person, but this person is your soulmate, this person will be your twin flame. Okay, and this sorry for the disturbance. Okay, this person is the your soulmate, your twin flame. Okay, and some of you, that might be some cultural different culture, different language. Okay, this person will be the mirror image of you. Okay, this person will be the twin flame. Okay, twin flame soulmate, high level of soulmate, but you just stuck in your mind. I will pull some clarifiers for the six of wands in reverse. Okay, why the six of wands in reverse? Why the six of wands in reverse? Why the six of wands is reverse? The six of wands in reverse. You people are maybe not ready to get recognized with that person, or maybe. Okay, five of swords, then page of cups, ace of swords in reverse, chariot. Okay, okay, so this in this card is suggesting us there might be some betrayal. Okay, you might be feeling betrayal by that person, or that person might be feel you have been betrayed, because whatever the there might be the third party situation. Okay, or maybe the sneaky people around you. You in your mind may be thinking, because chariot in reverse, because there is no movement. Okay, there is a no movement, and there is a no any new beginning, nothing is coming to the new level. Okay, there is nothing new in that situation. This person is just this person has leveled down their speed. Okay, or might be it might be your side, there might be you might be involved in the third party situation. Anyone, the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person may be put you in the third party situation, and that causing the no movement. Okay, no movement, no action, doesn't want to offer the cup. Page of cups. Okay, doesn't want to offer the cup. So the devil in the reverse. So universe is telling you that you have to come out this energy. I strongly feel this the viewer are the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person. Okay, the devil in the reverse suggests us that you have to come out of your addictions, come out of your negative thoughts. Okay, see, in the five of swords, this is the five of wands here, and the down is the six of wands in reverse. Okay, in when the card is upright, then it's see it shows us the leadership, it shows the victory in the situation, but there is a lack of movement because of the conflict. Okay, because of the conflict there is a lack of movement. Okay, no action, no action, because the third party, for some of you, for some of you there might be third party situation, or for some of you there might be the person has been the person is has been stuck in third party or any betrayal energy. Okay, he's feeling betrayal, so he is the person is not ready to offer you cup, or you might be not ready to offer your cup to that person still. Okay, so universe is telling you to come out of all the negative thoughts, come out all the negative patterns, negative habits, addictions problem. It might be whatever it is, alcoholism, excessive eating, or maybe you are coming in the any you are taking anyone's suggestion, and you just like you just behave like a puppet. Okay, anyone any person can be easily control you, but you just have to come out of that energy. You have to make your decision. Okay, because ultimately you have to spend the life with that person, so you have to choose your path, you have to choose your direction, you have to choose your partner, because it is up to you. At the end of the day, it is up to you. Okay, then only this then only see, seven of wands in seven of swords in reverse, then only this situation, whatever the betrayal situation, whatever the third party situation will going to end. Okay, will going to end, and you have to be hopeful for that. Okay, the star card has been signifies that the hope should be there. Okay, hope, you just have to hope, and you just have to balance the things. Okay, you have to open your throat chakra, open your heart chakra, and open your crown chakra. Okay, you just have to hopeful for this, hopeful for the your happily ever after marriage and family. Okay, because when you will think positively, then only the positive things will come to you, and you have to balance all the situations. See, this person is balancing out, he is one leg is in the land and one leg is in the one foot is in the water, and he is balancing himself, and he is just pouring the water outside the lake and inside the lake. But for some time it might be the loss, because this whatever the water he is pouring outside is going to waste only. So you have to be hopeful, and you have to open your third eye chakra, open your crown chakra. What is the reality? Okay, what is the reality, and what you are supposed to do. Okay, I will pull some clarifier for the star card. Why the star is here? It is a major arcana, So you have to see the moon. Some things are hidden from you. Okay, some things are hidden. You have to open your third eye chakra. Why the star card is here? Why the star card is here? Star card is here. The lovers in reverse, and the tower in the reverse, and the Hierophant. And bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. Yes. So you have to come out of your mental thought, I strongly feel, because this whatever the clutter is here, it might be the in the physical world you are maybe against of the people, or maybe the thoughts are causing you the mental conflict. Okay, but you have, this is going to create a major issues, I am telling you, because this is the 5 of swords. Okay, and this is also 4 of cups. You are not looking for that person. Okay, and this is the moon. You are not seeing the reality, what future you will be having with this king. Okay, you are not able to see because you are stuck in your mind. You are stuck in your mind. You are not, see the lovers in reverse. This is the divine connection. This is the second card. See, 2 of cups, the lovers. This is the universe. Universe has been send you this person to you, but you are not able to accept this reality. You just are focusing on 3 empty cups, but this is not the reality. Okay, so this card in reverse, you have to come out, you have to come out of this moon. You have to focus on your intuition. Your intuitions make you lead in the light. Okay, this is the darkness. You are facing the darkness. Okay, so you just have to open your third eye chakra. This is the specific card for the third eye chakra. I already told you, you have to open your third eye chakra, heart chakra and crown chakra. Okay, then the tower is reverse. Some transformation is going to happen in your life, then only you will be able to see the thing in reality. Okay, all the things come into the light. And then the Hierophant is the religious card. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So you will be committed with this person, with the your culture, with your tradition and all the things, and you will go to, this will be the key of your happiness. Okay, this will be the key of your happiness. Okay, and bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. You have to offer your cup to that person also. Okay, then only when you will able to see the things clearly, when you will be open your third eye chakra, when you will open your crown chakra, throat chakra, then only you will able to offer that person your cup of your love, and then this will be happen. Okay, and then the marriage will be there. The Hierophant, culture, religion, then you will be committed to each other in culturally religious way, your religious way, because you might be, or that person might be very religious, so according to the religion you will be get married. Okay, but just you have to hopeful for that. Okay, you have to hopeful. So now I will pull some messages. What are the physical traits and what are the okay, that person might be tall, fair and having black or brown hairs. Okay, see, like a tall, fair and black and brown hairs. Okay, or that person may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I told you it might be the fire sign person, because King of Wands is the fire sign. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. For some of you it might be the fair person with medium height. Okay, some of you it might be the air sign. You might be air in your chart, because there are lot of swords. Swords is signifying us the Aries, air sign, air, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Or maybe this air sign may be significant for you, or significant in the sense is going to change your situation or whatever in the bad way or good way. And I told you. Then for some of you it might be the medium height, weight, gray colored hair. Okay, for some of you. The letters I will tell you. S, okay, S, U, C and R. Okay, this might be the significant letters. Then Z. Okay, then you might be meet this person in the winter season or rainy season. Okay, or rainy season or winter season might be significant for you. Winter season or rainy season, it might be significant, or you might be meeting in the winter season or committed in the rainy season, or meeting in rainy season or getting married into the winter season. Okay, or some of you it might be the water is there, emotions is there. I told you emotions is there because this moon is the Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. So you have to come out, you have to open your third eye chakra. Okay, you have to come out your third eye chakra. So we will see what the marriage will be. Will it a love marriage, love come arrange, or proper arranged marriage? Okay, we will see. Okay, it is a love come arrange marriage. Okay, love plus arrange. So we will see now what are the messages from your better half to you. Some of you has been meet this person, or some of you has not met this person. Okay, because I told you the journey, and in this journey you might be in any of the page. Okay, right now, or some the people who has been meet, or maybe for some of you there is a spiritual connection with you. Okay, because this is the high level of soulmate and high level of twin flame connection. Okay, so what that person want to tells you, what the person has been want to tells you. Okay, you are on my mind always. Okay, so you are they are thinking about you always. Okay, for some of you that person has been offered you their cup, but you are not ready to accept this cup because two cards are tells us, and that person always thinking about you. Okay, you are always on their mind. Okay, but you are not focusing on them. You are my true love, because, and this is the destined connection. I am able to see this is the destined connection. They want to tell you that you are my true love. I want to take you away from the world. Okay, they want to retreat you. Okay, and again one message I will pull. It is the last message from your future spouse. I am stuck. You might be stuck, or that person might be stuck. Okay, so yes, and the other is I know you are my soulmate twin flame. Yes, right. So this, because he or that person might be stuck, or you might be stuck, because there are a lot of stuckness is here. I also told you that you have to open your heart chakra, you have to open your third eye chakra, then only you will able to see the worth in this connection, then only you will be ready for this connection. Okay, so please do some chakra healing. You can do you can just google it for the chakra activation. You will find the music therapy for that, okay, for the chakra healing. And now I will pull some extra advice cards from the unicorns deck. What is the advice for the pile number 1 in their journey? What is the advice for pile number 1 in their marriage journey? Please, unicorns tells us. Okay, seeking good. Look for good in your current situation. Again the same message. You just are stuck and you just are not you just have to open your third eye chakra. Look for the good. Look for the good in your current situation. Okay, what is the message for the pile number 1? Please, unicorns tells us. Service with the open heart is the key to satisfaction. Okay, then the opening. A new door is opening for you. I told you a new door is opening for you because there are keys. Okay, there are keys, so your one door going to open. Okay, and this door is opening for you only. Okay, 22 pages. Open your heart to love and joy. See, I told you, you just have to open your heart chakra. Mother Mary and the unicorns are blessing you. Okay, so universe, angels, Mother Mary, unicorns are blessing you. They are sending you the blessings. You just have to open your heart chakra. Okay, and the soul purpose. Act on your soul purpose today. Okay, and honesty. Bottom of the deck is the honesty, which is again 4. Honesty will ultimately be rewarded. Be honest with yourself, be honest with other people, seek the good in the situation. Service is signifying some of you might be in the paramedical field or it might be the medical field, and you just have to focus on your soul purpose. You just have to do your work properly, and seeking for the look for the good in the current situation, and all this you can do by the honesty and opening your heart. Okay, open your heart, open your third eye chakra, then only you will come out of all these stuck energies. Okay, and you will able to accept this cup. Okay, because it is very important for you. Okay, so this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if the reading is resonating with you, and let me know your stories. I would like to read all the stories, and if you want any new reading regarding new topics, then please let me know in the comment section. I would like to do that also, and I will meet you in the next video. Okay, take care, bye bye. Okay, now we will do for the pile number 2. What is the journey to your marriage? Pile number 2. I will pull 10 cards. Okay, and then I will let you know. Okay, and now we will start with the reading. The Knight of Cups, first card, then the 5 of Pentacles in reverse, 6 of Cups in reverse, the Death, and 3 of Pentacles. So first, you people got some love proposal, or from the King of Swords, from the person who is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Okay, and you might be coming out of the you people meet in the in the function, in the any religious activity, church or any temple. Okay, and but you was not ready, or you will be not ready to accept that cup. Okay, this is the past life relationship. It might be your childhood friend, or it might be the past life connection, or this person, or there is a age gap between two of you. Okay, this person is offering you the cup, but you are not accepting that cup. Okay, in the beginning also the knight of cups in reverse. Okay, but the person is genuine and sensible. Okay, then the death is here, the situation going to end. Okay, but even though death is not death never signifies the death of the physical person. Okay, it is the death of the situation. Okay, even though there is a death, the sun is going to arise. Okay, so it is a new, to start something new, some things should be end. Okay, that's why the transformation has been happen. Okay, I strongly feel you people might be, the viewers might be Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Okay, and then you are moved on to level up your skill, level up your education, or the to expand your skills, or to focus on yourself. Okay, you was focusing on yourself to grow spiritually, to grow financially. Okay, you have to update your skills, knowledge. Okay, then you come to into the light. Okay, then the all the things has been revealed to you at that time. Okay, then because previously you was in this energy. Okay, darkness, then your intuition has been guided to into your light. Okay, you are now, you after that you come into the light. Okay, but there was not a equal give and take, there was not a, the scale was not balanced. Okay, six of pentacle in reverse. Okay, that person might be the merchant, or might be the business person. Okay, having own business or own anything, own workplace. Okay, because that person leading, that person is a leader. Okay, he is recognized by his society, religion, and his workplace. Okay, for his better things or good things. Okay, but you was not, but now that person is not ready to take a leap of faith with you. Okay, because this person is now is not because you in the past you has not been accepted their cup. Okay, maybe that's why they are not able to make the judgment and make and take a leap of the faith. Okay, but they are enjoying their life, enjoying their work, they enjoying their all the things. Okay, then the queen of swords in reverse. See, there is a couple. Okay, king of swords and the queen of swords, but you come to know that this person is good for you. Okay, so you are not giving up on that person. Okay, queen of swords is signifies by the king of pentacles. So you are ready to expand with them, you are ready to accept their cup, and you are ready to expand your family with them. Okay, the queen of pentacle is very nurturing. Queen of pentacle is a very nurturing, caring person. Okay, and a very sensitive person. Okay, is queen of pentacle is a stable person. Okay, financially you might be the financially strong. Okay, and after that the justice will be happen. Okay, so justice will be happen, so you just have to cut out the air. Okay, the negative thoughts, negative patterns. Okay, and you have to take the action. Okay, minor action. Okay, to start the to uh, to work out all these things. Okay, and you just have to stop to the fantasizing the options. Okay, you might be having lot of options, but universe is telling you to stop and stop fantasizing your options, and stop thinking regarding the options. Okay, Then this is the your reading, and the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. Okay, so that will be the new beginning for you. Okay, so I will pull some advice card from the unicorn decks. What are the advices for the pile number 2 for their journey of marriage, journey to the marriage? What are the advices? Laughter attracts the unicorns, so you have to be enjoy your life, okay, fully, with the full of happiness. Manifestation, you have to manifest your desired things, okay. Focus on a vision beyond yourself and your unicorns will be help you. So you have to focus on manifestation, manifest the things what you want, okay. Feather, this calling, the card is letting you know that the unicorn tells you that they are near to you, okay. So universe is near to you, unicorns are near to you to help you out, okay. Then the next card is the mystery. Explore the unknown, the unexpected awaits you, okay. So you have to be trust on the things, okay. Trust the process, okay. Explore for the unknown, unexpected will come to you, okay. 21, the 3, so 3 might be the significant number for you. Intuition, listen to your inner wisdom. I told you after your skill upgrading, after your higher level of education, you will come to know, you will open your third eye chakra and your intuitions will guide you and they will let you know the situation, what is the real situation. So listen your inner wisdom, listen to your intuitions. 6, okay. And the bottom of the deck is the soul purpose. Act on your soul purpose today. So you have to just have to do your work, okay. You just have to do your work. So I will pull some advice card from the my handwritten messages. What the your future spouse want to let you know, okay. What the future spouse wants to let you know, okay. What are they are thinking for you? I know you are my soulmate twin flame, so they know, that's why they has been offered you, okay. But you has not been the accept their cup, okay. What are their messages for you? You are my mind always, you are on my mind always, okay. So they are always thinking regarding you, even though they are not telling you or they are not showing you, but they are continuously thinking, you are always there, always on their mind. You are my true love, okay. And the mirror image, so you might be the mirror image of him. And marriage, they want to marry with you, okay. So now I will take some advice cards from my handwritten messages regarding the physical traits or the initials, okay. Okay, that person or you might be the water sign, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. I told you water is there. Might be the fire sign, the Ace of Wands, Wands is a fire sign, okay. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay. This person might be fair with the medium height, weight and the gray colored hairs, okay. And the initials or significant letters for you: J, W, N I and B. Okay, so and the season, rainy season and the winter season, you might be meet with this person in the rainy season and getting committed in the winter season, or some of you winter season is very important, significant for you, or some of you it might be the rainy season, because it is a general reading. Okay, so rainy season, okay, might be significant for you. Okay, now we will pull the card what the marriage will be. Okay, arrange marriage, love marriage, or love come arrange. What is the universe? Please let us know. Love marriage, pure love marriage. Okay, so this was your reading. So please let me know your story in the comment section. I would like to read it, and please let me know if the readings are resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you want any different reading on the different topic, then let me know in the comment section. If the topics I would like to do the readings. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Take care, bye bye. Okay, now we will move to the pile number 3. Okay, for pile number 3 we will start our reading. What is the journey to the marriage? Okay, for the pile number 3, who has been selected the pile number 3? Please angels, please gods, please God, please let us know. Please universe, let us know the journey of the pile number 3 to their marriage. Okay, I will pull the 10 cards. Okay, I will pull the 10 cards, and then if the clarifiers are needed, then I will put some clarifiers. Okay, and at the end of the reading I will pull the advice cards for you, and my handwritten messages, physical traits, and the season, and what the marriage will be. Okay, love marriage, arranged marriage, or love come arrange. Okay, so we will start with the reading for pile number 3. Okay, 2 of wands, queen of cups, 9 of cups, the tower in reverse, the 3 of cups. Okay, the high priestess, page of wands, queen of wands, the devil in reverse, and the 4 of cups in the reverse. Okay, very good. Okay, so we will take the clarifier for why the tower is in the reverse. Okay, why the tower in the reverse. Why the tower in the reverse. Okay, king of pentacles in reverse, knight of swords in the reverse, and the star. Okay, we will pull the card for the page of wands. Why the page of wands is here? Why the page of wands is here? I think the viewers are might be the fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, or water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But you people are very intuitive, very creative, and has been open your third eye chakra. Okay, The Page of Swords, Page of Wands is here. Okay. So we will start with the reading. I will start with the reading. You are in the conflict. You are in the indecision. You are in conflict, like it might be the internal conflict or it might be the external conflict. It might be the conflict in your mindset only, or the conflict of the outside world. Okay, what to do, which option, which way you have to do, which path you are supposed to take. Okay, you are analyzing the things from the different from the distance. Okay, and you are analyzing the world also. Okay, so you are spiritually growing. Okay, and you people are might be require to travel regarding your work, require regarding your for your marriage purpose. Okay, because you want to confess your love to that person. Okay, so you have to travel. Okay, you want to offer your cup to that person. Okay, the Queen of Cups, you are ready to you are focusing on your cup. It might, the energy can be flip flop. Okay, even though it is a queen, the male viewer may be in their divine feminine energy. Okay, because male and female, everyone has the both the energies. Okay, divine masculine and divine feminine, but at this time you might be in the divine feminine energy, because you are looking your cup and you want to offer your cup to the other person to make your wishes come true. Okay, it is your wish, it is your wish fulfillment. Okay, so you want to make your wish fulfillment. Okay, but the Tower in the reverse, here the Tower is in the reverse. The Tower in the Tower says us the transformation. Okay, the things which has not a stable base foundation, that things are going to collapse after some time. Okay, so universe want to provide you the stable and the very strong base foundation. That's why the Tower is here. So some of you, the Tower has not been occurred yet. Okay, is not occurred yet, but it is going to happen. Okay, it is going to happen regarding your family life, regarding your work life, or regarding means the it might be the concern of your coins, like work situation. Okay, the King of Pentacle in reverse, so it might be regarding your financial things. Okay, then the Knight of Swords, then you will the Knight of Swords is the very high and passionate person. Okay, and he is just taking action and action, but because of the Tower, you are analyzing the thing in more deeper level. Okay, so you are taking your action with the baby steps. Okay, with the hope, and with balancing. All has the transformation has been whatever the loss has been there, has been occurred in the past. You just want to maintain all the things in the level. Okay, see, you can see the one foot is in the lake and or the other foot in the land, and he is pouring the water inside the lake only and outside the lake, and that water, whatever he is pouring the water outside, is going to waste only, because some of the water is going to come to the lake only, and it is just going anywhere. Okay, but this person is just maintaining all this work. Okay, sometime it the star card shows the loss or theft, so you just have to, because transformation also has been occurred here, or it is going to happen for some of you. Right now it is not happen, but it will be. So you just have to take all your concern in the balance, like your work life, your home life. Okay, so you just have to take care of it. Okay, then you will celebrate with your family, with your friends. Okay, you are doing a celebration. Okay, then intuitively you are very intuitive person, you are very courageous person, you know the laws, you know the divine law, you are very spiritual person. Okay, you might be the tarot card reader, you might be the judge, or you might be the in the field of the legal situations, like a advocate or anything. So you know very well all the things. Okay, and you want to offer you want to confess your love to someone. Okay, you the page of wands signifies us that this is the very courageous person, this person is ready to take adventures. Okay, and he is looking always for the new beginnings. Okay, he is ready to take the actions also. Okay, and the signifying card is the wheel of fortune and the page of cups in reverse, that he want to offer the cup, this person want to offer the cup to you. Okay, or you might be offering to the cup to other person. Okay, and your good karma and your luck is going to be your side. Okay, the wheel of fortune, your fortune will be in your side. Then that person may be the fire sign. Okay, queen of wands, very courageous, very uh, strong authority figure, and very sensible person, and that person also very lucky in his life, or it might be very lucky for you. Okay, because you are also the fire sign person. I strongly feel you are the water sign or might be the fire sign. Okay, this will bring you the sunlight in your life. Okay, because the sunflower let us know that the all the new things in your life. Okay, and you will come out of all your negative thoughts, negative patterns, negative addiction problem, or stop to, and you are just stopping to the just behaving like a puppet, and you are making your own decisions, you are taking your own actions. Okay, in before you were not looking the cup, universe is offering to you, you was very stubborn, but now you are able to see the cup. Okay, you are able to see the cup and you want to take it. Okay, to celebrate the things with your family and friends. Okay, and the justice will be there. Okay, the justice will be there. I think the pile number 1 also resonating with you, because some of the card are the regarding pile number 1. Okay, and you just have to manifest the things. Okay, whatever you want, you just have to manifest the thing. Okay, so so now I will add some handwritten messages, which letters are significant for you, which season you will meet, or which season will be the significant season for you, or some physical traits. Okay, so okay, so the letters are Z, U, G, O. Okay, if you are seeking for the goal. Okay, then the goal will be the short with the wavy hairs. Okay, with the medium height. Then for some of you it might be the tall with the medium build, having black hairs, or with the having brown or wavy hairs. Okay, and for the guy, for the male will be the tall, fair, and the hairs will be black or brown. Okay, and the winter season is significant for you. Okay, now we will pull some I will pull some card with my handwritten messages. Okay, handwritten messages. What is the message from your future spouse to you? Okay, what is the message from your future spouse to you? Okay, what is the message from your future spouse to you? Okay, mirror image. Okay, they are thinking you will be the mirror image, even though you are not you has been not met yet. Still spiritually you people are connected, because there are so many there are so many major arcana. Okay, then honeymoon, okay, marriage, they want to marry with you, or they are dreaming regarding the marriage, or you might be dreaming regarding your marriage. Heartbeat, that person might be your heartbeat, or you might be heartbeat of that person. Please forgive me, that the people who are made to your life partner, the your significant half is telling you, please forgive me whatever they have done wrong with you or anything. Okay, I am stuck, so I think you people meet to your future spouse. Okay, they are feeling stuck, and that's why they are telling you, please forgive me, I am not able to give you the time or anything, but still please forgive me. Okay, now I will pull the card for what the marriage will be. Okay, arranged marriage, love marriage, or love come arrange. Please universe, let us know what is the marriage will be. Okay, arranged marriage. Okay, so this will be the arranged marriage. So now I will pull some advice card from the universe deck. Okay, what are the messages, what are the advice for the pile number 3 regard while in the journey of their marriage? Please unicorns, let us know. Queen of Unicorns, you are blessed with the love, compassion and wisdom. Manifestation, focus on your vision beyond yourself and unicorns will help you. Okay, so you have to manifest. See, I told you, you people are dreaming about your marriage, or that person might be dreaming about the marriage. Okay, and all the things, honeymoon, marriage, or mirror image. Okay, so manifestation, you have to focus on manifestation. What you want, manifest that. Okay, what is the next message for you? What is the next for the pile number 3? Please let us know, unicorns. Divine sight, see the divine in everyone. Okay, because the card is please forgive me, so please see the divine in everyone, please see the God in everyone. Okay, and forgive the person. Okay, to grow up. Okay, hope, look with the new eyes and create the changes that awaits you. Okay, even though the rainbow is here, even though the storm weather is here, the rainbow is here. Okay, so you just have to look with the new eyes and to create the changes. Okay, that changes are waiting for you. Okay, there are very fruitful changes occurring in your life. Okay, so you have to be hopeful for the situation. Okay, the silence 3, be still, for all the answers lie in the silence. I told you, you people are very intuitive, or you might be having to open, or some of you have to open their third eye chakra, then only they will listen to their intuitions. Okay, very intuitive, because you are very intuitive person, so all the answers are within you. So you have to just spend time alone and focus on your intuition, meditate, and just focus the just search the answers. Okay, it is lies in the you. Okay, within you. Soul purpose, act your soul purpose today, whatever the soul purpose, focus on your actions, focus on your work. Okay, and manifest the thing whatever you want, because you are, and you are blessed with the love, compassion and wisdom, you can do anything. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the opening, a new door is opening for you. Okay, the door is going to open for you, you just have to be hopeful for the situation, hopeful. So this was your reading, pile number 3. Please let me know in the comment section if the messages are resonating with you, and please let me know if you want the another topics with the different readings with the different topics, then I would like to do all the readings. Okay, So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye bye, take care. Okay, now, okay, so we will move on to the pile number 4. What is the journey of file number 4 to their marriage? Okay, what is the journey of file number 4 to their marriage? These are the general readings, so please take the messages wisely. Okay, the message may or may not be resonating with each and everyone. Okay, so I will pull 10 cards, and if I need some clarifier, I will pull the clarifier. Okay, and at the end of the reading I will pull the advice cards, handwritten messages for their physical traits and appearance. Okay, and what the marriage will be. Okay, so we will start with the reading for pile number 4. Okay, the Fool, Page of Pentacle in reverse, Hierophant in reverse, 9 of Pentacles, the 7 of Wands, Seven of Swords, 9 of Wands, 3 of Swords in reverse, the Moon, and the Chariot. Okay, so I will pull the cards why the Hierophant is in reverse. Okay, why the Hierophant in reverse, why the Hierophant in reverse. Okay, 6 of Cups, the Emperor reverse, the King of Wands in reverse. Okay, why the 7 of Swords is here, why the 7 of Swords is here. 2 sevens are here, so you people might be looking the synchronicities. 3 sevens. 2 of Wands in reverse, 9 of Cups and 4 of Pentacles. Why the Moon is here, why the Moon is here, why the Moon is here. Knight of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, very good, and the 8 of Cups. Why the Chariot is here, why the Chariot is here, why the Chariot is here. Three of Wands, the World. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the 8 of Wands. Okay, so we will start with your readings. First is the Fool. So you are very joyfully energetically living your life. You are very free soul, like you are enjoying your things, enjoying your work. You are ready to take a leap of faith. You are just want to take the adventure in your life. You want to take the risk in your life, and you are enjoying your all the life. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, you are in your energy. Okay, and universe is taking care of you. Okay, the Fool, and the King of Pentacle. you might be you might be has some offer regarding your finance, or it might be the offer from your family, okay, but the offer might be get rejected, okay, regarding your finance or regarding your work life, okay. The Hierophant is reverse, and for the clarification I got the Six of Cups, the Emperor in the reverse, and the King of Wands in your reverse. You might be the fire sign, okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The Hierophant is the religious person, very religious person, okay, cultural person, okay, and the Taurus person might be significant for you, okay, but you might be don't want to do the things with the religion, with the culture. You are not ready to do that with the culture, with the religion, okay. You are not interested in the religious things, cultural things. The Emperor in reverse, you are not taking any action for the cultural things, okay, and for some of you, you might be meeting your past life partner, or might be the past life relationship, or it might be your childhood friend, okay, and you want to offer your love to that person. There might be the age difference or maybe cultural difference, and you are not following the cultural things also, okay, so you are ready to give your cup to that person, okay. There is a age gap, you might be the older than that person, okay, that person might be the younger than you, okay, and you are abundant, you are enjoying your life, you are very abundant in the way of your finance, in the way of your work life, or in the form of in the every aspect of your life. You are very abundant, okay, but and you are single and you are ready to mingle, okay, you want to get married, okay, you are in this energy, and you are not guarding your situation, you just want to, you are ready, so you are ready, you are not guarding the situation, okay. Then the Seven of Swords is the some people around you, they are just taking your advantage, or you might be taking some advantage of anyone, like the person may be the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, okay, but that person is not coming, that person is not aware that he is going to lose, okay, at the end of the day, because this is not the good karma, okay. He is going to hurt himself only by doing all these things, okay. So after that you will come to know, you was in decision, okay, you was in duality, what to do, what not to do, and you was blindfolded. So after that you come to the conclusion, but you are holding your coins. Now you are holding your coins, you are holding your situation, you want to take the control, even though it is out of control, still you want to manage all the things, and all this situation is not the good for you, and this is not the your wish fulfillment, okay. So you people might getting hurt, okay, and after that you will come out of all this trauma, all the drama has been happened to you. So you will heal your heart, okay. You need to heal your heart, you need to open your heart chakra, okay, because so many things are hidden from you, and you are very scared to give the opportunity to any one new person, or you are not ready to move in your life, you are not ready to take any action, because so many things are hidden, you are in the darkness. So you just have to open your third eye chakra, and meditation, do some meditation, spend time alone, and you will find the intuitions will guide you in the good path, okay. Listen to your intuitions, open your third eye chakra, because there are so many options you have, which will bring your life in the family fulfillment. Okay, you have so many options. Okay, so Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So you just have to in this darkness you might miss some opportunities in while the in the darkness. If you are in the low energy, if you are feeling stuck, then you will miss some opportunities because you have lot of options. But the hidden things is here, hidden thing is here. You have a very bright future, you have a very bright family future. Okay, this is hidden from you, so you have to open your third eye chakra. Okay, open your third eye chakra and open your heart as well. Okay, then the Chariot. Chariot is the major arcana. Okay, and the as you open your third eye chakra, as you come out of this moon energy, okay, as you come into the light, then the things will move steadily but slowly. Okay, the things will be happen, the movement will be there, but in the in the slow movement. Okay, slow speed, but it will be the very steady. Okay, it will be very stable movement, whatever it will be. So you have to open your throat chakra. Okay, so you have to do a lot of healing, because as this movement will occur, because you have to take the this is not the end of the all the situation. Okay, so don't feel like it is a end, it is not a dead end. Okay, there are, even though there is a very adverse situation, but still there is a hope of new beginning. Okay, so you have to come out of all the conflict, all the negative things, all the negative mindset, and all the internal external conflict. Okay, okay, you are feeling stuck, you are not manifesting the things because you are in indecision. Okay, so you have to take the decision, you have to take one, and you have to take action also. Not only the not only the thoughts, but you have to take the action, you have to manifest the thing, you have to free yourself from the past traumas, past hurt. Okay, then only the moment will be there, then only the Chariot, then only the moment will be there, and your world get change, and then you will ready to offer your cup to the other person. Okay, so see the Fool, you will come to in your energy, you will come into your energy. The life cycle, whatever tough life cycle has been end. Okay, so you have to do some healing and some chakra activation. Okay, the third eye chakra and the third eye chakra and your heart chakra. Okay, you have to heal yourself. You will if you google to the google the chakra activation, then you will find the results. Okay, for the chakra activation. So for you, the angel messages for the unicorns, from the unicorns, what are the messages for pile number 4? Archangel Raphael, healing and abundance. So healing and abundance is coming to you. Okay, healing and abundance are coming to you. So universe is blessing you all the healing energy. Also you have to heal yourself first. As I told you, you have to heal yourself first, then only you can attract the abundance. Okay, still the unicorns and universe is giving the blessings of abundance and healing to you. I told you, you have to focus on your health. Okay, heal yourself first, open your heart chakra, third eye chakra. Okay, then the divine sight, see the divine in everyone. Okay, you don't be the rude with the anyone, and don't be harsh with the anyone. Okay, see the God in everyone, see the good in see the divine in everyone, because if you act with the kindness with everyone, they will act with you in kindness only, so people will change. Okay, so you just have to change yourself first. Okay, divine sight, you have to look them, you have to look the God in them, and after that they will help you out, they will act with you differently. Okay, so the divine sight. Then the listening, listen and the answer will be revealed. I told you, you have to spend some time alone, you have to meditate, and you have to focus on your intuition. Your intuitions will guide you, so listen. And the God is, as you open your heart, as you open your heart, as you open your third eye chakra, then you will get all the messages from the universe, all the messages from the unicorns, whatever they are giving you, guiding you. Okay, if you are in stuck, if you are in that energy, then you are not able to seek all the information, or you are not able to listen all the guidance, all the blessings. Okay, all the messages from the universe. So you have to listen your intuitions. Okay, then only the answers will get revealed. Listen your intuition with the opening third eye chakra. Okay, then the seeking good, look for good in your current situation, whatever your current situation, you just have to look for good. Okay, look for good in the current situation. And the bottom of the deck is the wishes. Be careful what you wish for, as one wish will be granted. So universe is with you. Okay, see, I told you, you are a very good manifester. You have to manifest the thing, because manifest, you have all the tools for the manifestation, and your wish is going to be granted. So carefully, whatever you want to manifest, manifest it very carefully, because it is going to come to you. Okay, so be careful while making any wish, because any one of the wish will be granted from the universe. Okay, so this was your reading. I will pull some handwritten messages for you. What are the physical traits, what are the names? Okay, initials or maybe anything. Okay, okay. Winter season may be significant for you. If you are seeking for a girl, that girl will be the long hair, black, brown. Okay, with the medium heights. Okay, that person may be the air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or the fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The guy, the male, it will be fair and medium height. Okay, the letters will be the Q, T, M, and I. Okay, these are the significant letters for you, initials for you. So we will pull some advice card. These are my handwritten messages. Okay, so what is the message from your future spouse? Okay, what is the message for you from your future spouse? Please guide it, let us know. Please spirit, let us know what is the message. Okay, I miss you. Okay, they are missing you. Okay, what is the message from your future spouse? This message is specifically those who are in the committed a relationship, or I will see for the singles also. Okay, mirror image, they are thinking that you will be the mirror image of them. Marriage, they want to marry with you. You are my lucky charm. Okay, and happy family. So happy family, this is the card of the happy family. They want the happy family with you. Okay, so these are your messages. We will see what kind of marriage. Okay, this will be, please guide, please spirit guides, let us know what kind of marriage this will be. Love marriage. Okay, so this is the pure love marriage. Okay, so these are your readings. Please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, and please let me know if you want any different topics with the different reading with the different topics. I would like to do all the readings. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I put the new video. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.